Okay, so yes, I cheated on this, but I had to because y'all look at the checks. All the checks and the stripes. This isn't perfect, so what I'm going to do is, we have work to do on this anyway. So I'm not going to leave you completely in the dark how I did this, but y'all, I freehanded these checks. So, yeah, I had to cheat a little bit just so you wouldn't be sitting here watching me paint all these checks. But I do need to clean it up a little bit, so I'm going to use some of this chalk paint. I am going to clean this up a little bit. I need to clean it up. So we're going to add some bling to this. This is going to be all blinged up, y'all. We're going to be using some, we're going to be using this really pretty, oh, what do you call it? Y'all, I just went blank. This real pretty piece right here. Probably be using these two appliques as well. I'm just going to use 24 karat gold from Paint Pixie. Let me put a few little stripes on here. Okay, so I'm just going to put just a little line here and there on these checks, just for a little color. That's just styrofoam in there. And we're just gonna, let's just paint this gold. So we'll just use our B7000. So here's our pumpkin so far. I'm gonna take this away for just a minute before we bling it all up, and I'm going to work on the bottom. So we're going to use this as a bottom. Well, this is just a primer, so I'm going to go ahead and paint it this this white. Let me do some, you know what, I'll just do rub and butter here. So this has an adhesive back here, one of those 3M adhesive sticky, so it is sticky. Of course, you might want to reinforce it with some glue so it doesn't come off. We're just going to stick that on there, see what it looks like. Okay, there's that. That's straight. Yeah. Okay, so there's that. Isn't that pretty? I like that. Oh, we're going to put another one in the back here. So I'm going to, let's see here. Let's see what we got. I am going to use this applique here. Like I said, I forgot to get the name of it. But anyway, this also has that 3M sticky stuff. I got it now. Okay, see how pretty is that? I love that. So let's put a little bit of rhinestones on here just so I can show y'all what that would look like. Let's do that. Let's put some rhinestones on it. But look how pretty that is. And then you can put this on here. Oh, y'all, that is all blinged out. Looky there. That is all blinged out. Put a little bit of this B7000 and then hot glue. I use these also for, I make little, kind of like little cups out of these. I say cups, but so there is that. So let's put some rhinestones and get all this together. All right, so let me get my picker pen. Let me see, these might be too big, but maybe not. Let's see. Oh, I think the plain ones will look good. I like that size too. What size is that? I just love these with the precision tip on there. So easy to use, so fun. So I'm just going to put some right here in the corners so y'all can see what that looks like. Let's put a few more so y'all can really see it. This is fun. Love it, love it. How cool is that? So always check back on that. Let's put this together right here. I'll finish this up. So anyway, and then this pumpkin, y'all look. So go and get you a pumpkin and get it all blinged out. And thank you so much for being here at Totally Dazzled. We appreciate you.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.